Hello guys, my name is Sadiq, and the reason why we're making this video, me and my friend Anisha, is because we had ordered protein powder from Amazon. The last time when it was delivered, we found that product to be fake. The product was returned and Amazon sent us one more box. Here it is. Can you show them? Here it is. Alright. So the product which has been delivered once again is a fake product. Alright, and we want to make you guys aware, the people who are buying this product from Amazon, how to find that that your product which has been delivered is a fake one. My friend Anish will explain this to you now.
I'm Sadiq. So guys, my name is Anish, and first my Sadiq mentioned, so we have bought this gold standard whey protein from Amazon. So the first time that I got was a fake one, so I returned it, and I got another one which is again fake. Now why I'm saying this fake is because, so normally the if you could zoom further, the expiry, the manufacturing date and the batch number are always mentioned at the bottom of this bottle, which is missing. Now I got to see this over the neck of this particular box. So that is first scenario. Second, so there is a black band on the cover of the head of this box. Now there is a golden sticker which you can see. So normally on all the authentic products, these stickers are blended with the black bands, right? But here in this case, what you see here is this golden stickers just come off very easily. So looks like somebody have just did a cut and paste of this golden sticker on this black band. Now third, I'm going to do a live demo of this. So as you know, any bright products can be verified or authenticated by using the scratch code, right? Now if I try to do a scratch to find the the code authentication, I'm not going to find it. I'll show you why. Now let me scratch it using a coin. See guys, generally it doesn't take this long to scratch it. Even the scratch sticker is just a plain sticker which doesn't give you an authentic code. So you can see here I'm struggling to scratch this just to get the code, which doesn't happen with any of the authentic products, right? So you can see the numbers are clearly invisible. You can't read it. Howsoever you try, you can't find the code to verify your product. Now this is a problem with these fake products. So guys, don't buy anything, especially the gold standard whey protein from Amazon. Maybe you have to pay more, but buy from an authentic shop. Thank you. Cheers.